Do you want to check your account details on XM Trading? In this video, I will show you how to view your personal information on the XM Trading app step by step so you can keep track of your account details and ensure everything is correct. So let's go how it works. To see how it works, the first thing you have to do is to go to XM app, the application of trading, as you see here. In this page, you will find here in this first page, as you see, we go to above to profile. In this window, you will find here settings, so you will tap on settings. After that, you will enter to personal information, so you will click here. And then in this personal information, you will go to personal details. You will tap on personal details. And then in this window of personal details, you will find here personal information, and you can check out or you can edit your personal information of full name here, date of birth, address, everything here you will find it, and you can edit your information in this page. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.